Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much, more Deep Theory, for being the first in the notification gang. Thank you. In today's video, I have got my baby brother. Oh. I've got my little brother Josh with me, and I'm going to be doing his hair. Guys, let me just give you a disclaimer. No child was harmed in the making of this video. This is what my brother's hair looks like. He has type 4C hair. It is coily, it is kinky, it is tight, it is dry as the Sahara Desert. He does not take care of it one bit, but today we're going to be giving his hair some love, some care, and some attention, and we're going to see what it ends up looking like when you just give your hair some good products and some good moisture and see what it ends up looking like. So let's jump straight into the video. So first I'm going to start off by spritzing Joshua's hair so that it can be damp when I apply the shampoo, because his hair is so dry that if I apply the shampoo, because his hair is so dry that if I apply the shampoo, it's going to take a while for it to actually sink into the hair and work. So I'm going to wet the hair a little bit so then I can go in with my shampoo. I'm going to be using Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil collection. So that's the shampoo, and I'm just going to apply that to the hair and give it a really nice lather and massage his head. Homeboy was enjoying. He was having proper enjoyment while he was sitting in that seat. But it's sometimes really nice to give yourself this sort of massage. It also stimulates hair growth. After I did that, I dried his hair with a microfiber towel. Then I went in and mixed my conditioner with the hair mask, the intensive hydration hair mask, so that it's a little bit of a watery consistency, because his hair is so dense and so tightly coiled. It needed to be a little bit wetter, and I also needed to apply more water to allow the hair and all the hair strands to actually be coated. So after I applied that, I made sure that I combed his hair. So the way that I did it was I started with a wider tooth comb. So I started with the Afro pick side of it first. Then I went in with the wider sort of tooth side of it. Then I went in with the littler tooth side of it to make sure that I don't cause any damage to his hair and that it's an enjoyable experience for him. Then I went in with my Tangle Teaser just to make sure everything is coated, and I put a shower cap on his head, and I allowed his hair to deep condition for about 15 minutes with the warm microwave heat cap. So after his hair had done that for about 15 minutes, I took off the heat cap, and then I went and washed out his hair with some lukewarm water. I would have loved to do cold water, but anyway. So after I had done that, again, I dried his hair with a microfiber towel. I used Cantu, jojoba oil, and my curl enhancer from Shea Moisture, and I mixed that all together until it was like a paste. Then I applied that to the hair. Obviously, there was no way I could do each sort of liquid oil cream because his hair is not long enough for that. So I just mixed it all together and applied it to the hair, and then sort of started massaging it in so that it would actually sink into his hair. So with this process, if you need to add more water in again, because Joshua's hair was just like absorbing all the water that you put on it, you can do this. Then I went in and sealed all that product in with some shea butter. I just melted the shea butter in my hands before I applied it onto his hair. After I applied it onto his hair, I again went in with the pick side of the comb and just picked out his hair to make sure that everything's blended in well and that his hair is looking nice. So yeah, Joshua's gonna stand up and give you guys a model so you can see what his hair actually looks like now, and then also we're gonna do some befores and after. Homeboy was not enjoying at this point. He was not having fun. It wasn't by force, okay? I didn't do this by force. He wanted to participate, but he just makes it seem like he didn't want to. Anyway, after that, I went back in with the Tangle Teaser and I just brushed out his hair, and this is what it ends up looking like. How nice does his hair actually look? It looks so fluffy, so healthy, so well moisturized. It doesn't look dry and dead. Look at that before and after. My gosh. So guys, this is all it takes. If you can have this type of transformation with shorter hair, you can have this type of transformation with longer hair as well. There is nothing wrong with taking care of your hair as a man or as a male or as a boy. Your hair will last longer, it'll be healthier, it'll grow better, and your hairline will actually stay if you take care of your hair and use the appropriate products for our hair type and our hair texture. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you have liked the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you liked the video. I will see you guys on Friday. I love you guys so much.